Time for another edition of Science Sunday. Of course, joined by Aoife Ryle of the Connecticut Science Center.
Good morning, Mark.
Good morning. So in the past, we've done some experiments, some demonstrations regarding air pressure. We've got more today.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about how heat can affect our air pressure. So I've got a can right now. It's heating up on a hot plate because this is actually an experiment you can try at home.
All right.
Using a stove. We're using a hot plate here, but you can use a stove.
So parental supervision, of course, if this is something you try at home, but, you know, safety first.
Yes, please. So before we get to that, we're going to demonstrate a little bit of the concept here. So we have two balloons the same size, filled with air. And I'm going to put mine in a bowl of hot water, and you're going to put yours in a bowl of cold water. So right now, I'm heating up all the air inside my balloon, and you're cooling the air in your balloon down. So as the air in my balloon heats up, it's going to start taking up more space. It's going to spread apart, become less dense. Whereas on the other side, the molecules in your balloon are going to come closer together. They're going to become more dense, take up a little bit less space. So you can see if we notice the difference here. Yeah, mine's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So right now, the air inside of this can, as it's heating up, it's spreading out. So there's less air molecules in the can because it's a little bit warmer.
So we've got a little water. It's been doing it. You can see the steam coming off the top. Water with ice cubes.
Yes, so this is cold water. And we're going to flip this can in there, and that's going to cool that air inside the can down really, really quickly. And we're going to see what happens to our can when we cool it down really quickly.
Sounds
Ready?
Good. Yes.
All right, we're going to use tongs, stay nice and safe.
Look at that.
So really quickly, because when air is warmer, it takes up a little bit less space. There's less air molecules. But when we cool it down, those air molecules want to come together. And so they're pulling together. They create a vacuum in that can. And I mean, we saw what happened.
So it's a whole new way of crushing a can.
Yeah.
Normally you could step on it with your foot, but this is, we're using science and air pressure.
Yeah, so definitely want to try it home. But again, like you said, parental supervision with the stove.
That is key. All right, so lots of neat things always happening, especially as we head into the holiday season and even beyond when kids are maybe out of school. You've got some winter vacation camps that are coming up. Yes,
so our camps are for kids ages 6 through 12 on the 4 dates there. You can sign up for them online. We're doing some really cool camps. We're doing grossology. We're going to do some stuff with like Mario Karting inspired camp, so it should be really fun.
So you just need to go to ctsciencecenter.org and sign up there in advance.
Yes, and you want to do it quickly because they do fill up.
All right, so that was specifically the Monday before New Year's, the 30th, and then also MLK Junior Monday, and then February vacation.
Yes.
All right. Excellent. Eva, thank you so much. And of course, we'll see you for another edition of Science Sunday next weekend.